Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am outside Nottingham University campus down the Derby Road, and I've came across another wall bunker, I think. First, let's go check this anchor on the wall. See what this says. This anchor was discovered in 2017 during the construction of the nearby advanced manufacturing building. It was recovered from the bed of the former Nottingham Canal in the approximate location of the Derby Road lock. The anchor's history is unknown. Pretty cool. Interesting. Don't know if you can see through that. We'll have a look when I get back to editing, but yeah, that is definitely an airway shower. From what I can see at the back, it's like a really like a walkway down the side. I don't know if there's some stairs on the other side or not, or some steps. I mean, but here's the entry. Here's the door. Obviously, as you can see, it's not been entered for quite a while with all the cobwebs on there.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3.
If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. Want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change